Do you know what today is? Do you know what today is?
Yes, it's a very special day.
Why is it a special day?
Because you're going to go buy something.
I'm going to spend money. What are we getting?
The thingy thing.
Oh, come on. I've been talking about it for months. What am I getting? The new Cricut. Do you know what it's called?
I do, but I can't think of it off the top.
Really?
Yeah, we just had a discussion a minute ago and I forget about it.
It was my word last year.
Cricket.
It's a 3-letter word.
Dave, I forget.
Starts with a J. Ends with a Y.
I got it.
Yeah?
Joy.
It's the Joy. Up since 5:30 this morning. Listen to me, people. I am not a morning person. I have been watching the clock all morning, waiting for an appropriate time to wake this guy up to go get the Cricut Joy. And it's usually the other way around. He's the first one out of bed. Of course, you know what? This is the situation. Let me have a little real life conversation with you all. If Katina jumps on here, back a sister up. We have no problem. Here we go. That's right. Here we go. We have no problem waking up at 5:30 in the morning to go hunting. But when your wife wants to do something, like go get the Cricut Joy and go out to breakfast with your husband.
You were laying in bed next to me the whole time, so don't act like you were up.
But I was awake. I was awake is the point. I was ready for today. I am here for this. We're going to get the Cricut Joy, and we are making an event out of today. We are going for breakfast together. See, like, this is the thing. Like, I can tell you all, hi Cody, I have not been this excited about a Cricut machine, and I feel like I say that often. But the truth is,
every time one comes out,
I have, okay, if you don't know me, which I think most of you do, I have owned every single unless there's something crazy that I don't know about, like in another country, I have owned every single personal die cutting machine that has ever been on the market. From the early Cricut to the Sizzix SD to like all of the, the little slice machine. Cody's on, she says hi to me.
Hi, Cody.
I have owned them all. I've owned over 24, and at one point in time had 18 in my craft room, die cutting machines. My most favorite die cutting machine, and the very first one that really captured my heart, was the Cricut Expression. The Cricut Expression is what I did the Cricut A to Z DVDs on, and started Above Ruby Studio really to get it off the ground as a full-time business and crafting and DIY and lifestyle blog for me, and has been my business for the last 11 years. And so the last time I was this excited, and I've been excited about a lot of their machines, and I've had them all, it was when the Cricut Gypsy came out. Now, the Gypsy wasn't actually a machine, but I got the Gypsy at a CHA, and I still ordered it on HSN the day it launched so that I could have it overnighted to me so I could have it sooner than the one I was even being given from CHA. That's how I feel about the Cricut Joy right now. We are making a day out of it. We're making a date out of it. We're going to get breakfast together, and we're going to Michael's or Walmart or whatever one is going to actually have it in stock, because I've been calling around. Even though they're all supposed to have it in stock, sometimes you know how some of these places can be, and even though they're supposed to put it out on March 1st, they get to it when they get to it. So I am making sure. So I hope that you'll come back on the channel, on our page, and it's Above Rubies by Megan Elizabeth on my YouTube channel, and we're gonna go live later this afternoon with the Cricut Joy in action. I'll unbox it. I will just literally share my joy with you. I'm literally so excited that it's called the Joy. I was excited about the maker, but you all know I didn't run out and get the maker. I took my good old time getting the maker, which I was it's cool. I'm really excited about it, and I have it and I use it and I love it. It's on my desk. But the Joy, and I know some people are I don't understand why I'd want something that small. Having a little Joy in your pocket is a great thing, let me just tell you. Because the situation with it is I can leave that sit on my desk, and it does cut. It does, so with your 12 by 12, right? It doesn't actually cut the full 12 inches, right? This will cut up to 20 feet long, you guys. So even though it's only a 4.5 inch wide platform, you can go 20 feet long with rolls of paper, rolls of their smart vinyl and their smart situation, which it literally, you don't even press buttons on the Joy. It knows that the material is near it, and it'll feed it in. It's freaking cool. And you can use your iPad, your iPhone, you can use your computer. It's Bluetooth. So the situation too is like Design Space is now working on the whole offline version. So you don't have to be on the internet or on Wi-Fi to be able to use it. Like there's so many different options with this new machine. And the technology is phenomenal. So the thing is that for me, I do love my Maker, but to have it sitting out on my desk, I have to move everything around all the time to be able to use it, because I have it kind of sitting all the way back against the desk, but as soon as I need to move it, I need to have that 12-inch clearance, right? So that means I can't use the rest of my desk. So now I can put my Maker on a secondary desk, which some people are like, why don't you just have it on a secondary desk now? Because it's not convenient for me, that's why. So this is just about convenience for me. I realize that it's not necessarily the most convenient thing for everybody, but like Katina even says, she's super excited about it, and she hasn't even bought anything since the Cricut Expression came out. So it's inspiring to be able to pull up and to do your word titles, to do, I mean, seriously, when I scrapbook, I'm not, even when I make everything for She Makes Club, everything is pretty much under 4 inches anyway. So you can still do all your layers, you can do all the different things and all the pieces, but it's in a condensed platform, and it's mighty, mighty, mighty machine with a ton of power and a ton of technology behind it. So I just don't want you to be thinking like, oh, it's so small, it doesn't do anything. There is a thing and a place for everybody and everything, and it doesn't have to be either or, it can be both, which it is for me. Just kind of like it is for Nate with all of his hobbies and things. It's not either or. Sometimes I go, why do we need all of these things? Why do we need all the things? Sometimes we just need all the things, ladies. Sometimes we just need all the things. In your case, you might not need all the things. In Katina's case, she didn't need all the things. But in other cases, the point is, whatever brings you joy, even if it is the joy, enjoy it. Wow. There we go.
It'd be joyful too.
It's joyful. Here we go. All right, guys, because it's fun. It's totally fun. And this is not sponsored by Cricut in any way. They have no idea I am doing this. I am doing this for me and the She Makes and my followers alone. This is not a Cricut ad or promo. I do have a Cricut affiliate link, but I'm not even using that because here we go. We're going to get the machine. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hey, we're passing where I used to live. Did you know I used to live here? Okay, bye. I just asked him if I could get the mini press too.
Mini.
So cute. Wait, you gotta see it. You gotta see how cute this is. See, I have this one, but look at this one. It's so cute. All of the joyful goodness. My heart is definitely a little bit broken right now. Michael's is sold out of the Joy, so we're gonna head over to Walmart, and I might just make my husband drive all over to Allentown to another Michael's, because I mean, we need joy in our lives today. He doesn't know this yet, but this one's out. Now we go for the next stop. The cool thing is that I did get a ton of Cricut Joy materials because it was buy one, get one 50% off, which if you know Cricut, they never do stuff like that, but because of the launch, they have a discount at Michael's. So I am going to figure this situation out, and I'll get back to everybody later. We're gonna not fear. The Bible says, do not fear. I go before you. So here's the situation. We're at Walmart now. You gonna say hello? Okay. We're at Walmart now. We're gonna see what the situation is. However, what I did was I went on michaels.com and I ordered one for Collegeville for in-store pickup. Okay. They don't even. Hi, we're back. Oh, this way. So here is the Joy saga continuing. I told you we were taking you on a full journey today. I didn't realize the journey was going to be this extensive. So first we went to breakfast. Yep. It was delicious. Then we went over to the Michaels Walmart Everything Shopping Center in Pottstown, and we get there and I see the whole display and I'm all like, oh, it's the Joy, and I'm all excited, and I made him take a picture of me with the big sign, hi Julie, because you know I'm Megan Elizabeth and that's what I do. So I got super excited. I like wanted to buy one of everything, Nate was with me, so of course I refrained. No, I'm just kidding. He wouldn't have cared if I did. But I just got 2 mats. I got their adhesive back designer paper. I got 2 rolls of their label paper because that's like print or draw, and that's like totally perfect to do with the exclusive files I have inside She Makes Club. We have some really cool She Makes Club files coming out really soon, so that paper will be perfect for it, the label rolls. So we got that, and then I got another cart. And then they had Hot Buys paper, was buy 1, get 2 free. So I was like, this is crazy good. Like, so we got all these deals, right? So, hi Glenda, hi Katina, hi Debbie. So anyway, we go to check out, and here's the situation. I go, I'd like to get a Cricut Joy, please. And they go, did you order online? And I said, no. And they're like, we're completely sold out. And I was like almost broke out into tears. It's emotional to talk about even now, in the freaking store. So I'm like, you're kidding me. So we go over to Walmart. They're sold out. So we go online to Michaels.com and we see, are there any stores in our area that are available to order online and pick up? There is 1 store in our area. 1. We're driving 30 minutes right now to another Michaels. I ordered it already, paid for it, and we are on our way to pick it up.
I knew you.
Whatever. Anyway, for my own life, my own joy, for my members of She Makes Club, like everything, I'm really genuinely excited about it. If you can't tell, driving him crazy. I'm so glad he's here for all of this with me. This is like what true love is all about here. Let me just tell you, don't settle. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. And we got it, people. We have got it. And we have bonuses. We got a bonus because Miss Rachel, the sweet manager, was phenomenal and so helpful because of the situation we went through. I even got a Cricut, I can't talk, I'm so excited. A Cricut minifig. Seriously.